black with the transitional green. I think that's pretty cool, but yeah. With the transitional and little power button right there, and then the top button right there.
Black card. Access any location, bring a friend anytime, and recover in the black card spot. I was involved in a car accident. Called attorney David Lynn, and he got $900. Attorney Dan Mueller got me $1.7 million, and that money is what was being called.
Bro, it's freezing. I don't want to do that. These hose clamp pliers are like I use every one of these. Each one hit, bro. She scooped, boy. Play last night on LPGA, you got that. These two just. Alright. Oh. Yeah, I'll never see this. Say your haircut, so straight up. He had a double take it too. Oh my God. Yeah, if ever, man, you always got to come down to Ave, man. Bike week, though. It's just a little different. You got some gear, man. Lemonade. Oh. What's up now? What's up? Well, what's up? Atmobile, click. Oh yeah, hey, this real dad shit. Yeah, word. Deep things, crazy as shit. Don't dare make fun of that baby, because that baby was. Oh, this one, know me? You know me? I'm pretty, I'm crazy as hell, man. I'm the king, come on. Dedication numbers, I'm doing the macarena. My big homies, that's just a fraction. These ideas are stuck in the elders. T-baby, red vehicle, wilderness. Let's go. Bougie, man. Drums only, man. Alright, bleeding that cooling system out, man. I just want a cookie. Sorry, can I have A1? A1? Yes, I'm sorry.
That's what I didn't feel like that lady was thinking that at the she had locked in.
Right, that's what that light's for.
Oh, for real?
I'll show you it.
I'm not looking at nothing bad.
Okay, I hope not, because
freezing though. Alright, you too. Excuse the rear windows, I was on, but yeah. I had to just see these two. This view right here is crazy. Yeah, that's how I be getting them crazy shots, y'all. I'm a beast. I see that lady like every time about that lunch from earlier. Yeah, that hoodie, I couldn't imagine how that sounds. But back in the day with this boy, the coon on the street, y'all see only because I RJ, you know what I'm saying? Alright, Target Fit. Get your hook too. Oh, I see it. True, same deal. Let's go a little faster though. Do that ahead of time, that way we ain't gotta fight with it. For that, always attack that screw first. That way you can do. Bro, this don't look right either, is it? All the way up. All the way down. I'm all the way up.